Okay, so this is a TikTok trend happening right now, and this is called a chicken crust pizza. Okay, so what we do here is we get rid of that refined processed flour of the bread we normally have in a pizza, and instead the crust is made with chicken. So I've got chicken right here. I'm gonna add some ground chicken. I'm gonna add a couple eggs. I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. You could also use nutritional yeast if you don't wanna have the cheese. And then I've got some garlic I'm adding here. Okay, and then a little salt, a little pepper, and I'm gonna mix it up. You can also add basil if you want. And again, you can change this up, add other herbs and spices. So I'm gonna mix it up like this, and I'm using gloves here just to, so it's not as sticky. Okay, so all I'm doing there is just mixing this up, super easy. So now again, this is gonna be super high in protein, and then we're gonna add veggies on top. So it's a protein veggie heavy dish versus, again, that the typical pizza that's normally all of that white bread and lots of cheese. And then you just mush it like this in a pan and then cook it for 30 minutes at 400. And look, the magic of TV here. We've got our magic oven, and
that was a quick cook.
We've got here. But this is what happens. So now you've got this nice crust, and then what we did here is I added barbecue sauce with, I did no sugar barbecue sauce with a little fresh mozzarella, and then we've got onions and peppers. But again, you can skip the cheese, you can use pesto, you can use marinara sauce, whatever you want.
So this is like guilt-free protein pizza.
Right, and then again, you can make it however kids want. Pesto, add mushrooms or onions or whatever you want.
This is so good.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. You're going to have to make it for your 3 kids.
I got to do it, and it's easy.
Yeah, it's so fast, so easy to make. And the kids can top it and get involved, which is also important for kids to get involved with the cooking.
We have to have a hack for a snack.
We got to have a snack. Okay, this is one of my favorites. I've been doing this forever. My kids are old now, or oldish. But this I started doing with them years ago when they were toddlers. And so this is just what I call apple fries and a peanut butter yogurt dip. So kids love to dip and they love fries. So what you do here is you just slice the apple, right, into these little fry shapes, sprinkle a little cinnamon, which is also calming. And we know apples are loaded with fiber and actually a prebiotic fiber, so that helps feed your good gut bacteria. Right, so super healthy for you. And the skin has a compound called quercetin, which is also supportive of your immune system. So you take them and then you can dip it in this, because kids love dipping, and this is yogurt mixed with peanut butter, so you're getting the healthy fat, the protein, the calcium, the fiber. It's fun to eat, it's delicious, and it makes the house smell good too when you bake it.
It's
right, it's like a little dessert.
It is.
Like
but
a
it's a super healthy, it can be a dessert or it can be an after school snack or whatever.
It hits that sweet tooth, right? And it feels like you're having a snack, but you're really not cheating. You're not doing bad. And I love peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter fanatic.
Me too.
So this is so good.
But if there are allergies, you can also swap it out for something like a sunflower butter or something like that.
Good stuff.
Carrie,
I'm going to keep eating.
Home run.
Good stuff.
Thank you for sharing these great hacks that are going to make our kids happy and healthy.
Exactly.
Right?
Good stuff. Thanks, Carrie.
Well, great being here.
Good job. You can find these healthy recipes on our website at thedoctorstv.com.